Thank you, Ben. New tonight, Tripler Army Medical Center wants to hear from patients who think they may have been victimized by a former gynecologist. After a patient in Texas filed a lawsuit last week, dozens of women have come forward accusing Dr. Blaine McGraw of misconduct, including recording secret videos, inappropriate touching, making crude remarks, and performing unnecessary procedures. McGraw worked at Tripler as an intern and resident OB/GYN from 2019 to 2023. Today, Tripler's director, Colonel William Bimson, said in part, "I know this information is incredibly upsetting. We are here to provide support, and we want to hear patients' concerns and get the medical care and support they need." McGraw is currently suspended from his post in Texas, and his attorney says the accusations are exaggerated. We've posted contacts and a patient questionnaire from the Army's Criminal Investigative Division at HawaiiNewsNow.com.